Are you a web designer looking to fill your client roster? Wondering how you can stand out in a crowded market? Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal 5 proven strategies to attract more clients and boost your web design business. Hello everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd, the high-performance hosting platform that ensures your websites run at lightning-fast speed. Today, I'm excited to share essential tips every web designer needs to grow their clientele. First up, ensure your own website is a testament to your skills. A visually appealing, user-friendly portfolio that showcases your best work is your #1 marketing tool. It's not just about displaying what you can do, it's about demonstrating how you solve visual and functional problems for clients. Next, social media is a powerful tool for web designers looking to expand their reach and attract more clients. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Facebook are ideal for showcasing your design portfolio visually and engaging with a broader audience. Here's how to make the most of it. Post regularly. Consistently post high-quality images of your work, including before and after transformations and behind-the-scenes glimpses of your design processes. This keeps your audience engaged and helps build a steady stream of content that highlights your expertise. Use stories and live features. Use Instagram stories or live sessions to talk about your design process, share real-time updates on projects, or host Q&A sessions. This can make your brand feel more approachable and relatable. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and engage with other users' content. Building relationships through genuine interaction can convert followers into clients. Create educational content. Share tips, tutorials, and blogs that can help your audience understand what makes good design and how it can benefit their business. In fact, this shouldn't be applied to social media platforms only, which takes me to our next tip, which is offering free resources. Consider creating free resources such as ebooks, design templates, or blogs about design trends. This not only showcases your expertise, but also helps potential clients see the value you can bring to their projects. It's a great way to collect leads by having visitors sign up with their email to access the resources. Network and collaborate. Networking isn't just about attending industry events. You should engage in online communities, collaborate with other creatives, and even consider partnerships that can expand your service offerings. Each connection is a doorway to new business opportunities. There are many networking strategies available. You should regularly attend web design and tech conferences, workshops, and meetups. These events are great places to meet potential clients who are interested in web design services, as well as other professionals you can collaborate with. Join online communities. Participate in online forums and groups related to web design and technology. Platforms like LinkedIn groups, Reddit, and specialized forums like Stack Overflow or Designer Hangout can be excellent resources for finding collaboration opportunities and engaging with potential clients. Collaborate with complementary businesses. Partner with businesses that offer complementary services such as marketing firms, content writers, and IT services. These businesses often have clients who need web design services. Mutual referrals can be a significant source of new business. Offer workshops or webinars. We've talked about the importance of offering resources to your clients when it comes to collecting leads and showcasing your work. Hosting free or paid workshops and webinars not only helps you showcase your expertise in web design, but it also puts you directly in front of potential clients who are interested in improving their online presence. Use LinkedIn for direct outreach. Actively use LinkedIn to connect with potential clients. Share your projects, insights, and articles that showcase your expertise. Personalized messages to potential leads about how you can help improve their businesses can be particularly effective. Finally, use client testimonials. Don't underestimate the power of testimonials. Positive feedback from past clients builds you credibility and reassures potential clients about the quality of your work. Feature these testimonials prominently on your website and in your marketing materials. As you implement these strategies, remember that your website's performance can make or break client perceptions. That's where Rapyd Cloud comes in. With our reliable hosting solutions, you ensure that your portfolio loads quickly and operates smoothly, providing an optimal user experience. Check out Rapyd Cloud to keep your digital creations running flawlessly. With these tips, you're well prepared to grow your web design business and attract more clients than ever before. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more updates. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.